Hi guys, how can you remove shadow from a document or white paper in Photoshop? First, open your image in Photoshop. Go to the toolbar and select the Dodge tool. In the top settings bar, set the range to highlights. Set the brush size to around 322 pixels. You can adjust depending on your image size. Make sure the exposure is moderate so it doesn't over-brighten the paper. Now gently brush over the shadow areas on the white paper. Brush slowly and evenly until the shadow fades and the paper looks clean. And that's it. This is how you can remove shadow from a white document or paper in Photoshop.